What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out a pretty steal of a deal on a printer. Now this was my purchase for Amazon Prime. I think it was the Prime weekend that they had. This was my one and only purchase. Hopefully you guys were able to capture a lot of fantastic deals, and if you guys were able to pick up this particular printer, comment down below, what do you guys think about the printer. Now this was about $20.69 on Prime Day, and that was just a complete steal because I was in the market for a new printer because my current HP Photo Smart 5510 is not working. Had that printer for about 6 years. Technical supports just ended up advising me to purchase a new printer, and heck, I don't need anything too crazy fancy. Under $21, you really can't go wrong with it, guys. Alright, so let's check it out really quickly. So, right in the front here, we just got a look of how the printer is going to look. Kind of, well, it's a white one. I kind of wish it was black, but hey, $21. You really can't, complain about that. The color is not a bad compromise. So, it is a, let me turn over on this side. There you go. It is a wireless printer, which is really neat, as I try to use as less cords as I can, so that's pretty good. It says low cost cartridges, which means that my ink refills or my purchase of new ink shouldn't be too crazy. Easy setup and print for your smartphone and your tablet, which is pretty cool. And of course we get included inks at the bottom there, which is probably gonna last me a long time because I don't print that much, but it's always good to have something when you need it and not have it then. Well, you guys know what I'm saying. Alright, so that's pretty much a box. Not a whole lot going on. Let me just cut it open and see how this printer looks. I don't think I'm going to be doing a setup of it. In case you guys want a setup video on this, let me know. I'm pretty sure printers are pretty straightforward. I'm just going for the value just to see what a $21 printer, looks like. And if it was, well, pretty sure it's worth $21. It is HP after all. And plus my last HP printer, like I was saying earlier, lasted for about 5 years, almost 6. So that was crazy. Alright, so we got inks right here. Okay, we got the power cord. Take that out. Then we have the printer. I'm going to just slide this out just like this. Oh, oops. Don't want to break it already. Alrighty, so what we got here? We got the all-in-one series, basic reading materials, Oh, we have your printer includes 4 months of bonus ink. Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Delivered to your door. I might have to sign up. Oh, there it is, guys. Sign up to get your bonus 4 months ink. Okay, cool. Alright, not bad. I've never had that with the older printer, so it's good to have it with this newer one. And I know originally I said I'm not digging the color, but this blue actually looks really nice, guys. This blue is, I'm kind of digging this blue. Let me readjust the camera so you guys can get a better look at it. Alrighty, so here it is, guys. So this blue is actually pretty nice, guys. Blue and, well, the white with the blue trims on it. I'm kind of liking that. Comment down below what you guys think about the color. Nice plastic wrapped up. Let's get this off. Nice and easy. Well, you guys can always skip through this if you need to. No biggie at all, but I want to do a full unboxing of this printer. Alright, so first off, that's pretty light, guys. It's a fairly light printer. This thing does not weigh much at all. We have our scanner at the top here. Then on here we have a bunch of other buttons, of which I will have to figure out what they do. Right here we have the model. This is the HP Print, Scan, and Copy HP 2622. Now, I try to find this on Amazon currently as of the recording of the video, but it's currently unavailable. But I'll try to find some other purchase links and other similar printers, maybe around the same price point, and I'll throw it up in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Okay, got some tape going on here. Alright, so let me turn this thing on and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so the printer is all plugged in, it's powered on. I actually did a quick setup on it so everything's actually working, and it's pretty simple, so I'll just browse through it as I go through the video. I'll give you guys a quick setup just in case you were having issues setting up your printer. Alright, so when you plug it in, pretty much this is kind of like the control. Now, they don't actually tell you what each of these buttons do or mean. So on the all-in-one printer, this little book that they include, everything is numbered and coded so you kind of know. So you have power, we have the little panel, then we have the little colors to show you the level of the ink. So we have the color, we have the black and white, then we have X to cancel, the paper looking one is to resume prints, then wireless because I already set up the wireless. Information about the printer is number 7 right here, which is the exclamation, and then this one right here is copy or black and white press to start. So you can use this one right here to do all your copyings and you know, pretty much copies, photocopies, prints, whatever you want to do. And yeah, so take a look at this, matches up. It's probably going to take me a minute just to learn these, but once I do, I'm not going to need this anymore. Alright, so that's that. To the bottom here, when you open it up, so to install the ink, that was kind of a pain for me, but let me show you really quick. So you have to pull down this tab like this, and then you open up this other tab right here, and then there you go. Those are the inks right there. Now, initially, before the printer was actually set up and everything, when I opened this weren't kind of coming to, I guess, the front on its own because it wasn't set up on the network. So you kind of have to pull it, but gently. And the ink, it didn't actually specify which color goes where, so I kind of had to figure it out, and I guessed right. So it's 2 ink cartridges. You have one which already has all the 3 colors in there. That one goes on the left side right here. And then the black one, which I kind of just guessed it right, just went into the right side right here. And then, yeah, and then you just push it in, lock it up, and you're good to go. And then the paper goes to the back right here. So the printer was kind of like this. So to take that out, you just kind of pull it up like that, lean it back. Now right inside there, I don't know if you guys can see, let me pull this back. It's gonna be hard to see. So this little tab right here, this was all the way like in the middle, so just push it back and then your paper will just fall in there naturally, kind of like this. Bam. You know, I'll fix it, but you guys get the gist of it. And then, yeah, and that's pretty much the hardware side of the printer. Let me get my iPhone and I'll show you guys the app, because you can actually set this printer up just right through your smartphone. So it's that simple, guys. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how easy it is. So you want to go ahead and download the HP Smart app, either on iOS or Android. And then when you open it up, so mine is already set up. So when you hit plus and you go to add printer, you literally just add the printer. You select the new printer, and then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go to your settings and you're gonna connect to the printer, because it will show up in your Wi-Fi. I don't think mine will show up any longer. Yes, but it'll show up right here. It'll literally say HP, and then after you plug it in there, once you connect, it'll connect on its own, and then it'll just redirect you back to the HP app, and then the setup from there is pretty easy. It's super simple, guys. You just you might have to create an HP account if you didn't already have one, and then after that, when you're finished setting up, it'll give you the option to send a setup link to your laptop or any other device that you're going to be using the printer for. And then that's pretty much it. And then you just go to your laptop, like me, for example. I kind of put it on my laptop, my Dell right here. I sent the link right there, and the setup is just as easy as it was on the cell phone. So yeah, pretty easy, guys. So I'm gonna just show you guys a quick test print coming from my smartphone, and then we'll do one from the printer. So let's see, I'm just gonna go, actually I don't know what, let's do print photos, all my photos. Okay, so I play Pokemon Go a lot, guys, so let's try to print, I don't know, Pikachu. There's Pikachu, guys. So this will also allow us to see how fast and how clean and how accurate the colors will be coming from the printer. So it just has to kind of retrieve the paper size. Now, yeah, earlier, like I said, comment down below if you guys have this printer, and if you've had it for quite some time now, you know, how has it been performing, you know? All right, so there's Pikachu. We're going to hit print. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I did do some previous test prints, and it is a little bit slower on the phones that I noticed rather than the laptops, but let's see what happens. It's probably preparing to print. Okay, guys, and it's printing now. So here we go. It's sucked in the paper, and the paper's coming out. Let's see how clean a Pikachu will actually look. Okay, it's coming out. It's coming out, and it's, you know, it kind of tells you the progression on the phone as well. So it's kind of cool that you can print, you know, directly straight from your smartphone. I mean, in this day and age, you should be able to print from your smartphone. Alright, and it looks like it's printing pretty clean, guys. Pretty clean. Alright, and let's check out Pikachu. So, that is a pretty clean print, I'm not gonna lie. The colors are really nice and crispy. And let's compare it to the picture, guys. So, comment down below, what do you guys think about that? There's the picture on the phone, and there's the actual print. So, that is really clean. I'm not gonna lie. Super, super clean. I'm happy with it. Once again, this is a printer that's like less than, it's $20.69 I picked it up for. So far so good. Now, let's do a test print from my laptop. Alrighty, guys. So, laptop's right here. Now, for our test print, I'm going to be printing this Black Clover wallpaper, which, now, for those of you who don't know what Black Clover is, it's a pretty awesome anime, and shout out to those who currently watch Black Clover and know what it is, and it's a huge fan. It's an awesome anime. Alright, so let's do the test print, and let's see how good this wallpaper comes up, because if it comes out really nice, like the Pikachu one, I will be keeping it. So it's on landscape. It looks like I may have to cut out, like, I don't know if you guys can see the mouse right there. There we go. I'm going to have to cut out a piece of the paper once it's printed. But I'm going to hit print, and let's see what happens. There you go, guys. It's printing. I kind of had to move my computer for something. I had to take a quick break. I had the mailman came. Alright, but it's printing. Let's see how good the print is. Alright, it's coming out, guys. I can't wait. I can see it right there. It looks really cool. Oh, these wallpapers are looking nice, guys. I might print a few of these and just, you know, hang them up in my room, because they're a fair size. And Black Clover is the bomb right now, guys. It's pretty good. Oop, there it is. It fell down. Oh, it's printing another one. Oh, there we go, guys. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a really neat print. It looks awesome. I just have to cut out the extra edges right here. And that's a really cool print. I think it's printing a second one, because when I clicked it first, for some reason I think I woke up my computer and it didn't get to load fast enough. So I kind of clicked print twice, maybe 3 times. So I might get 3 copies of these. Yeah, guys, so the printer works. It works. For under $21, the colors are really, really crispy, as you guys can see from there and there. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the printer. It works. I'm happy. And I got a new printer. So, you know, comment down below what you guys think. If you like the video, hit the like button, because it definitely helps the channel out. And yeah, until next time, guys, thanks for watching. And it's printing another one. And I'll see you guys in the next video.